Welcome home to Masjid Darus Salam, the Islamic Society of Toronto.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa.
The construction of 20 Overlea Boulevard is ongoing and is proceeding at full speed. Once it is complete, we will be able to accommodate over 3,000 worshippers at one time.
The prayer facilities right now where we go is quite small and very congested for the prayer area and as well as for the Islamic schools, madrasa.
The old masjid and center will continue to serve the community. It is just meters away from the new center, but people are praying outdoors by the thousands. This new center will change all of that. A brand new landscape is about to be raised in the heart of the city, the abode of peace. Our youth, the beating heart of the community. There are currently several hundred students, young and old, on a waiting list to join the school.
I was given the opportunity, alhamdulillah, that I was able to lead the Tarawih prayers in Darus Salam. As a youth living in the Thorncliffe community, I really wish we had a gym or other services that would allow the Muslim youth to be more engaged inside the community and to become productive members of society.
We have many more students who want to get admission in this program, but due to a lack of space, we are not able to accommodate for everybody.
Allah तबारक व तआला इस जगह को अपना उसे मीनारे नूर बनाए, इस जगह को अल्लाह तबारक व तआला मीनारे रुश्द व हिदायत बनाकर इसकी रोशनी को दुनिया के चप्पे चप्पे में और दुनिया के कोने कोने में उसकी रोशनी को फैलाएं.
These youth are from different cultures, different backgrounds, different ethnicities, but the one thing that keeps them together is the masjid and the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
कारी साहब ने बताया कि इंशाल्लाह 2022 में ये प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे बेशुमार फैसिलिटीज़ दी जाएंगी बच्चों को, बड़ों को, और इंशाल्लाह 5 साल से लेकर 15 साल के बच्चों को.
Darus Salam is planned to include a 6,000 square foot, fully purpose-built main prayer hall.
We're in the Masjid Darus Salam's new property and situated in 20 Overlea Boulevard. As you can see, this masjid is still under construction and it's in its early stages, and we need your help to support this cause and get this done as soon as possible.
I'm very excited about this gym facility, and I'm looking forward for all of you, my brothers and sisters, wherever you guys are watching this from or listening, to help donate and finish this goal of our Masjid Islamic Society of Toronto.
This new expansion project is bringing a lot for our community. There are a lot of programs and services that are being planned, and currently our masjid space cannot accommodate that much for our Muslim sisters and our community members right now. So this expansion project will bring out a lot of participation, especially youth participation.
Financially, if all you can help, and may Allah give you reward for that, so please donate it, and then inshallah we'll see this opportunity to see each other in the bigger building.
I want to stay in Darus Salam until I become a hafiz.
نساعد إخواننا وأطفالنا في هذا البلد على أن يتعلموا لغة القرآن وأن يتعلموا كتابهم الكريم. فالرجاء منكم أن تتبرعوا بقدر استطاعتكم ونشكركم وجزاكم الله خيرا.
الحمدلله ډیر ښه روان دی او دغه کار دی لپاره مونږ ته پکار ده چې دلته دوسره هیلپ وکړو او چې څه کار لګیایي هغه سره هیلپ کوو بلکې دوی ته چې کوم ډونیشن پچاري او څو پیسې پچاري هغه مونږ ورګزاره ده چې.
Over the years, IST has supported charity causes like distributing tens of thousands of dollars to needy people. IST also hosted COVID-19 pop-up vaccination clinics and Dawa programs. But this new center will be a launch pad for charitable initiatives and positive interactions with neighbors and stakeholders.
I grew up in this area and I did not have those facilities what they are trying to build right now. There are more than 95% Muslims in this area.
Just please donate. as soon as possible in order for the masjid to open soon.
मैं आपके सामने एक तरतीब रखता हूँ कि हमारी इस कम्युनिटी से 3000 फैमिली हमारे सामने आकर तकरीबन $3000 3 साल के अंदर अगर वो इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए अदा करेगी तो बड़ी आसानी हो जाएगी अल्लाह के इस घर के लिए और इसमें होने वाले जितने प्रोग्राम हैं.
We hope with your du'as and with the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to complete the construction by the end of 2022.
We humbly request the support of 3,300 brothers and sisters who can commit to donate just $100 a month for the next 3 years, or make a one-time gift of $3,000. Be part of this monumental grand project, a center for our youth, for our future, for our city. Please donate generously.
على حبيبك خير الخلق شفيع الله